Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can add headers and footers in your Google Doc. I am Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. Headers and footers help Google Docs look more professional and more academical. Headers and footers are mostly used to insert page numbers, details, or company names in a document. Now, in order to enter the header, what you can do is simply go to the top of the page right here in the section and double click on it. Now you can add headers. For example, let me create the header. So this is the header that I just created, and for this box right here, what header does is that it shows up in every page unless you check mark this box right here, different first page, right? So if you click on the different first page, then the headers and footers will be showed from the following page except for the first page. Just click on it, and then you shall have your header and footer placed on the next page rather than the first one. You can also add header or footer by going to the insert, slide down, go to headers and footers, choose either of these, click on it, and you can add a header. Now after you're done with the header part, what you can do is click on the escape button to get out of the header part. The footer part is similar to header part. What you can do is just double click on the bottom of the page and just simply type what you want to type, right? So most of the people insert page numbers here in the footer. In order to insert page number, let's go to insert right here, go to page numbers, and just select the type of format that you want for your page number. So that's how you do it. That's how you insert the header and footer on your Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.